Welcome to today's cooking show, and for you today we have some tuna sticks. Alright, first thing we gotta do is get 2 standard cans of tuna drained and into this bowl here. Followed by 2 cups of cheddar cheese. And then give this kind of just a light mixing. What we're really doing here more than anything is just breaking up any big chunks of tuna that we may or may not have. Okay, after you kind of mixed it together and kind of busted up the tuna a little bit, you want to add 2 whole eggs to this. Okay, and then basically you just want to keep stirring this, chopping it, mashing it to a degree until it kind of becomes, not like paste-like, but kind of just all cohesive. Alright, let's move on to the next step. And we're looking for something a little bit like that. Okay, and as you can see here, you kind of want to form these into little balls and then kind of shape them into little log-like structure things. And then you want to basically take these and pop them into a 400-degree oven for 20 minutes. Don't worry, these will stay together. All right, see you after 20 minutes. All right, and after 20 minutes at 400 degrees, you should be looking at something like this. So those are fish sticks. Done.